Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. JE starting the day really big, like 330,000 shares already exchange hands, and we only talk about 5 minutes to 5. I'm seeing a candle here and I want to join the candle because I see a huge potential. So as you can see, there is a resistance on the 105, which I want to join over, and I think the first candle, the first partial can be almost 1.3, and it is 10 cents stop, so it's a good ratio for the first partial, and I want to see if it can hold, if it can build up. As long as it doesn't break the 95 cents, I'm good with this trade. Okay, so I'm still waiting. I want to see if it's breaking or not. If it's not breaking, I will enter the trade. If it does, I will cancel the order. Those kind of trades I'm looking for a good ratio. It looks like it can run. Again, 340,000 shares, and it's 507, 509. So it's pretty early. It's really early. Now it doesn't look like it's moving now, and I'm guessing that the 105 will bring life to the stock again. But it's a bit disturbing that it's not moving. We're still in the range of the entrance and the stop. So as long as it's in the range, I will never cancel an order. One oh one, 103. Can I zoom in? And I'm in. So he jumped just a little bit, enough to put me in. And jump back, so it's good. You can see that it was stuck in this range for a long time. And it was a candle, so actually a flag. And that's a little jump, and I want to see it really jumping. Come on, where is the momentum? Where is my energy? Now I'm looking at 5 minutes, and I'm speeding up this trade because if not, that will take like forever. Now I'm not looking at the computer every moment I let it run, but every few seconds I'm actually watching the computer, see that it's still interesting, it's still in the same place, it's still where I want it to be, and see if I can move my stop. Basically, the only reason I'm looking at the computer is to see if I got my partial and if I can move my stop. That's kind of the two questions that need to be answered all the time. Now my partial command is already inside, it's already submitted, and it is 129. So it's a stand before the 130, which is the resistance. And I want to see the stock reaching that point. Now right now my biggest concern is that I expected the volume to increase, and it doesn't seem that it actually does, that it's going somewhere. And if that's the case, one single trader can actually move me from that trade to be a big loser trade, and I don't like it, but there is nothing I can do right now, and I can't move my stop just because I don't want to lose. So in this case, I'm in for the ride, which is the worst thing I can do in a trade, but it's not like I can go out and jump to another trade. So again, I'm here for the ride. And right now, this ride is not looking too good. Now the daily itself is looking amazing, and there is space to grow. The question is, where is the volume? Now I'm about 1 hour after I enter into the trade, and it's only 100,000 shares. Now in regular time we'll say, okay, 100,000 shares, amazing. The problem is that the reason I enter is because it was like 300,000 shares, and I saw potential to actually reach new highs. But now it's not running where I expected it to. Where's my volume? It's playing the 1, and that's not a good place for me to be played at. Now it's starting to look like it's a bust trade. I'm thinking that I might really jump the gun and enter too early. Kinda expect that stock to be like in 7,000 shares already. 700,000, but It's not picking up. Maybe if you can pass now the 105, we actually have a chance. For now, it's looked like it was a false breakout that pulled me in, spit me out. But I hope that I'm mistaken. I had this formation, red, green, red on the same side. It's usually not a good sign for a long trade. You like those kind of candles for a short. The truth is, double thinking about it, too early, not enough volume. Come on, what's going on? And it jumped down. So I entered too early. I lost 157 bucks. Kind of painful. And you can see that it's basically didn't have the energy to go up and continue. And after it tried one more time and crashed completely. And that's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Join by, comment and subscribe, and have a good one.